I know I need you, I know I like you, but you don't want me, and it's okay. What's the matter with me? I keep falling for you. What's the matter with me? I always love you. I know you don't feel, I know you don't want it, but what has happened to me? I always love you. You said we're just friends, you're okay with who I am. You don't want more, you don't need me, baby. Why can't you understand? I'm here for you, I promise to be a man. I know you're not feeling the same way, and I keep saying it's gonna be okay, baby. I know your taste and you love me. My heart just hate. Why did you push me away? Why don't you tell me? Why did you leave me? Why don't you care about my heart? I love ya. Please come by my side. My heart just ache, I'm having a headache. I need you more, my heart is always there. You always appear in front of me. When I close my eyes, only you I see. Baby, please come back, heal me. I love you, you're the only one, my baby. I love you. Why didn't you push me away? Why didn't you tell me? Why did you leave me? Why did you care about my heart? I know what I've done, baby, I care for you. So please come back and love me too. You know I'm helpless, you know I'm hopeless, but I love you and I don't wanna rest. It's a feeling when I'm with you. Yes, I know my heart is true, I can't forget. Please come back by my side, stay with me, and I know it's right. I can't say I love you more, you'll listen to me. Of that I'm sure. It's okay if you don't need me, cause all this time I know I see. I know you, I love you, just the way you are. Please come with me and stay here forever. Yeah, just for you. I can't believe that I'm falling for you. I don't know that my heart belongs to you, but you need me out, you don't want me to. I'm okay, babe, I was the only one who loved you. Baby, did you know, since the day you came into my life, I love you. Yeah.